SkyTech Shadow 3 gaming PC. Should you buy it in 2023? Well, in this video, we'll find that out. First, I'm going to build an exact same PC with the exact same components that this PC comes with and going to observe how much this PC costs if I manually build this, and I promise you the answer is quite surprising, so keep watching. First, if we look at this PC, it comes with around $899 and it comes with a Ryzen 5 3600 processor. So if we buy this processor from the Amazon, it will cost us around $89 and it comes with an RTX 3060 graphics card. If we buy an RTX 3060 graphics card from the market, it will cost around $284 and it also comes with 1TB SSD, 16GB of RAM. So 1TB SSD will cost us around $42 and 16GB of DDR4 RAM will cost us around $30. Then it comes with a 600 watt gold certified power supply. As you can see, a gold certified 600 watt power supply will cost you around roughly $65. And as you can see, this PC comes with a very basic casing, and the case of this category will cost you around $40 to $50. And finally, this PC comes with a compatible motherboard with this processor. So let's assume it comes with the average motherboard MSI B550M Pro. It will cost us around $120. So everything together, if we build this PC manually, it will cost us only $684, while this pre-built PC is costing us almost $900. So it's more than $200 of markup just for assembling these components. So I believe buying those pre-built PCs are absolutely unnecessary. You are going to lose a ton of money. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.